Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
So first of all, thank you so much for giving me your time, both of you, ma'am and Sanjana. What are you feeling? Because I think since the time this released, or even before the release, this is your first, kind of interaction together. Mrs. Basu and TZ Basu coming together. What do you have to say, both of you?
I'm very excited because I'm seeing her after a long time.
Yeah,
I see her on Insta and with all her posts, and her hair has grown longer, as I can see.
Yeah.
And she's become
to how it
more
used to be
pretty
when you
and more
first saw
beautiful.
me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the glow of success is showing over there. I think in both of your faces, the glow of success, I think that's kind of showing there, and I think we are very happy seeing that. Sanjana, do you agree with me on that?
I mean, I don't feel any glow of any success right now, but I'm glad you are feeling it. That's okay. I'll take that.
I think Sanjana has gone back to how she was looking when I had first met her.
Yeah.
In Mukesh's office. Yeah, I think she's gone back to looking that way.
Basically, not looking like Kizzy. Essentially.
Yeah.
Interesting. First of all, I want to tell you this thing. I want to start this conversation on a very happy note because, we all were kind of a little upset when, Dil Bechara had this OTT release. We were expecting a theatrical release, but big news coming in because kuch dino pehle hi, I think New Zealand was the first country where Dil Bechara had its theatrical release. So I want to take a comment from both of you on that because I think no matter how big an OTT release is there, you cannot really compare the experience of that with a 70mm screen. So what do you have to say on that? I'm pretty sure it's going to follow other countries as well. Ma'am, I want to start with you.
I'm very excited because I have relatives and friends and parents' friends who stay in Auckland, and they will be able to see the film in the theaters. But also, that's a good happy news. But I think we have to get used to this, films releasing in OTT platforms now. Given the situation we are, all of us, I mean, the entire world is going through right now.
Correct.
I think, it's no point cribbing over the fact why this is not happening, why that is not happening. Yeah. We at least should be, satisfied and thankful that there is a platform like OTT where we are getting to see films and web series, and people associated with the entertainment industry are still working. Hell lot of people are, there's avenue for work to run their families, and there is a way in which we are getting entertained. And I think in this entire lockdown period of more than 2 months, if there was nothing like OTT in our lives, I think a lot of us would have really gone mad, locked up in the house doing nothing. So I think it's a great opportunity that things have turned that way, and we should welcome the change and not really crib about it, about things not happening as we planned.
Absolutely. Sanjana, what do you have to say on that? It must have been
I
special
totally
when you heard
agree. It is very special, but what I also realize is that it's such an equalizer because I don't think I'm attached now to whether it's OTT or it was more like, wow, another country gets to watch it. But of course, that being said, just the thought that it's released theatrically is really special because I mean, somewhere someone's seen it, so maybe as a trail effect, we get to watch it in the theaters as well. Because whatever said and done, I would love to watch Dil Bechara in the theaters.
I also. I also want to watch
it. Me as well, count me in that list, definitely, because the experience has been so wonderful. It can only enhance and, get better when you see that in front of that 70mm screen. एक चीज I want to tell you, Sanjana, because I was talking to Mukesh sir, and मैंने उनसे एक सवाल पूछा था कि I mean, obviously there's no questioning your talent, but then I had said that, so what made you feel कि Sanjana would be the ideal cast opposite Sushant? That was what I had asked. He gave me a very interesting reply. He said कि भाई तूने उसको देखा है, उसको देख के ही किसी बासु वाला फीलिंग आता है. That was what he told me. ठीक है. So I want to know कि when a veteran casting director like that says something on that note for you, does it kind of pressurize you because he has those eyes of a proper casting director, or you take it as a challenge in a positive way. Ki, nahi yaar, if somebody like that is saying, having that level of confidence, there's no reason why I cannot do well. So what was it like exactly when he had shown that kind of confidence on you?
You know, it's this kind of confidence that he showed with Kizzy Basu. He had shown like 10 years back when he had cast me for Mandy also in Rockstar. And that time I'd never acted in my life before. So he has this knack for having faith in you when you yourself don't know that you're capable of something. And then when Kizzy happened and I read that script, I was nowhere artistically in a place where I could have pulled off a part like hers. But I love to go with Mukesh's conviction because that's why he is who he is. Like even with Swastika, like when he saw her, only he could have imagined her as I call her Mama Basu, but like just as Mrs. Basu. Even because she looked almost like this, right? Like she looks like she's basically a rocking woman, like a you can't imagine her as the overprotective, like whiny kind of mother at all. So that's Mukesh's power actually, and I just had to know that if he has the faith, I definitely would have it in me. That much confidence I have that I'll work hard. The rest I just sort of leave it up to God mostly.
Wonderful.
And I would definitely say that Sanju really worked hard on the set, and of course because we've spent so much time together off and on shoots, I know how much she had worked hard. Hard-working girl.
You know, I must say this thing. You know, मेरा मैम से जब फोन पे बात हो रहा था last time, and you know, she said very interesting things. Now I know her as a mother for quite some time now. I mean, I had told her the last thing as well that you know she had come to my college when I was graduating. She had come down to my college for a felicitation ceremony over there, and she had spoken about instances regarding her daughter. And here on the call, she said that there are certain experiences that I have had as a mother with Sanjana, which I have probably not even had with my own daughter. You know, so she has said that to me. So I want you to continue that because, you know, Sanjana is listening to this right now, ma'am. You know, she would ideally want to know which are the things that you probably meant, you know, when you said something like that.
See, I think as I said before and what I felt after watching the film, because we didn't dub the film, so I think all of us watched the film when it released. I definitely didn't watch the film before 24.
Yeah, neither did I.
Right? Yeah. So I actually, you know, I'm more of a friend of Anvesha, and because I had her quite early, so I keep telling this, and I really believe it that we kind of grew up together. So the mother instinct only came into action when her exams used to happen. That was the only time that, you know, I wore the mother gear and like, Potte bosho, you know, porashuna koro, fail korbe. No, so Sanju can also understand. Sanju can also understand that if I speak in Bengali saying ki, if you know, study hard, you'll fail otherwise in the exam. That was the only time that the mummy bear would, you know, come into action. So the different kind of emotions that Mrs. Basu, I think, nurtured in her character of being loving, caring, overprotective, and also one very, very important thing, which is a part of, you know, the essence of the film lies there, that both the parents, they know that tomorrow it can be the last day for the child.
Absolutely.
You know, this living in this anxiety, in this anticipation that, you know, maybe I just have this night left with my kid. I only have this amount of time left, and that can be few hours, that can be a day, that can be few months. So that is something, you know, people don't, I mean, only very unfortunate people get to experience in their life. And I don't think any parent would have to experience this. But as an actor, I think we live, that's a huge privilege that we have, that we get to live so many lives, fortunate or unfortunate, and we get to live so many experiences. So the, you know, the overprotective, the loving, the caring, and also the way Mrs. Basu changes when they go to Paris, and you know, she lets go of her this fear as a mother, also to protect the well-being of the child, also because she's a daughter, she's a woman. You know, the entire concept of safety of a girl is very important to parents.
Correct.
to whom they are losing the virginity, to whom they are, giving their heart and soul. So very practically speaking, I would definitely want it to happen with a man who would take care of my child and not hurt her, or not leave her with a
Emotionally
trauma or a
damaged.
very bad disbalance in her mind for the rest of her life. Because these experiences are important to parents and to their children as well. So all those things were going in my mind, which I don't really feel so strongly in reality. So I was actually
Yeah.
cherishing all that. Yeah.
I know. I mean,
all those things happened.
when you were talking over phone, and I could feel the kind of excitement. I got to experience those motherly instincts even while working on set.
Yeah, because my
Kushi
daughter
is showing.
keeps, whatever I tell my daughter, she's like, "Oh, ma, chill." So Kizzy was not asking the parents to chill.
Yeah.
So I got
Yeah.
chased. Yeah.
But Sanjana, tell me about your instances with your mother, because I'm pretty sure it every time, be it a mother-daughter relation, father-daughter, all sorts of relationships. The relationship of a child with a parent is extremely special. Some are particularly close to mothers, some are particularly close to their fathers. Because
Yeah.
it's this movie is about a very interesting relationship of a mother and a daughter. I want to know what is like the relation that you have with your own mother. What are the kind of things that you talk about? What is the equation like?
So, like both my parents actually got properly jealous of Shashwat Toda and Swastika when they saw the film, because they were just like, how is another human being like parenting our child? Because they're still, for them to see me as a character and in my debut film, so they aren't used to seeing me as different characters just yet. But in reality, my parents are the most chill people in the world. Like it's like Swastika's relationship with her daughter, where it's a very equal relationship. Like now I am a young adult, so I school mom on many things. We went to the same school in Delhi actually, so I never had to lie about going out. I never had to lie about having guy friends. They don't have specific ambitions for me. It's not like ye karo to fir tum successful hoge. As long as they see me like happy and working hard, they're happy, So they're my lifelines.
Yeah. How sweet is that? That sums it up in
Yeah,
one line.
this is something I keep hearing from Anvesha as well, that who is the parent here? Who is the parent here?
Yeah.
So
Fully.
so I can understand, and I have always felt very odd also on the set when Sanju just keeps calling me by Swastika. I said, "Kabhi to mummy bola karo, thoda sa respect diya karo." Ye, I used to feel अजीब कि set में सब Mrs. Basu, किसी की मम्मी ये वो, and then suddenly किसी Basu, Swastika, we'll just do the rehearsal, right? I'm like, you can't call me like this. Don't call me Swastika on the set.
That's the
get
way
jittery.
we used to switch, like when the camera used to come on was crazy, because our relationship, like one-on-one, we have the most crazy conversations otherwise in the world. Yeah.
How sweet is that? And I kind of understand that, because everybody is saying that kisi ki mummy, this mummy, but then jiski mummy hai, she is herself not saying mummy. So I think that is the cutest part.
Swastika, so we'll have lunch together. I'm like, Sanju, don't do this. I don't know now how to react. Like I'm having to just switch on and off mode, like this. So
That's true.
Very funny situation.
How sweet is that? Sanjana, I must ask this thing ki, obviously you have worked earlier, you have worked in movies like, Rockstar, Hindi Medium and all this, but then one cannot deny the fact that this is your biggest ever role till now. And I'm pretty sure bigger roles are going to follow after this. My good wishes to you. But then, एक चीज मैं आपको जरूर बोलूंगा कि, it's not entirely a very happy feeling, because on one hand, you have this emotion that, okay, fine, I have been accepted so wonderfully as an actress in the movie. And on the other hand, there's this, subsequent, kind of like an opposite emotion कि जिसके साथ my chemistry has been appreciated so well, that person is unfortunately no longer in this planet. So I want to ask you कि how have you been able to actually balance both the emotions? Because on one hand, I'm pretty sure you must be feeling very happy. And on the other hand, जिसके वजह से, the chemistry happened, you are unable to share the happiness with that person. it's a very daunting task to balance both the emotions. मुझे ऐसा लगता है. How have you managed to do it?
I've not really been feeling too happy, as in like I've not even celebrated the film yet with even friends or like family or anybody really, because it's not so clear cut now. It's not like because the film's done well and because I've been appreciated, so that I should feel happy about, and then you're feeling so negative about so many other things. So it's like I'm not feeling great or like very comfortable and stuff these days, to be honest. So it's not like I'm not enjoying the feeling these days at all, is the honest truth.
Well, that we can't really change much on that, because whatever has happened has happened. All you can do is probably keep the past behind and look forward to the lovely things that are there in store for you.
And also like live in memories, right? Like that's what I think we've all been doing. Because while we were like Swastika and I were also bringing the film to the people, you have to like, you're revisiting the film, you're revisiting memories, and that in a way at least felt cathartic to me. I think it helped Swastika too, where you're just sort of, that helps.
And she told, I think somewhere she said,
Also, I think you should not say this is Sanju's biggest movie ever, because she just, she was just born.
I'm saying till now, ma'am. I wish that every movie she does going forward, it keeps getting bigger and better.
Ever मतलब लगता है कि मतलब मेरी उम्र की कोई है कि इतने सालों में 20 सालों में ever this has become like the biggest. She is such a kid. It just makes her feel so old already.
I already sound like one old person. That's what everybody tells me, that like you started sounding like this one auntie who has all this wisdom now because of your experiences.
I hope आप दोनों में से कोई भी किसी को भी ऐसा नहीं बोला जाए. But I think ma'am has said something very interesting कि out of all the things that were spoken about, you said two very interesting things which I particularly was very fond of, because everywhere somebody or the other is saying something or the other which is irrelevant. One thing was that you celebrated the happy point कि out of all the actresses Sushant had worked with in his lifetime, he has worked with you on multiple occasions. Now that's something that we should all really celebrate as a good memory. And second part was, which you said and I feel made a lot of relevance. I don't want to go deep into that, but I think that particular point was very valid, because everybody was saying something or the other, and you had said the call for an investigation further should first come from the family. I think that was a very sensible statement. So, I think that has only happened, and eventually I am pretty sure the justice and law will take its own course. I will not get too deep into that. But I just want to know, ma'am, when you say, I'm the only actress with whom he has worked on multiple occasions, what exactly goes behind saying that? Because I think it's a lovely thing in itself. He was amazing.
See, I think we don't really harp on such things when we are working. People have their own careers. We want to do good work, strive in our own way. But of course, when this unfortunate incident happened and so many things were being talked about, and then it suddenly struck me that in his career, which of course is not as not a very long one, unfortunately, but I was lucky enough to do 2 films with him, and two drastically opposite characters.
Absolutely.
It kind of sounds funny that and Mukesh used to freak out a lot. Sanjana knows about it. That his love interest in one film became almost his Sasuma in the other film. And when we put it like that, it sounds really.
Even Sushant used to keep teasing Swastika about that.
So it sounds just crazy, and the moment I just try to negotiate this entire equation in my head between Bhomkesh and Dil Bechara, and what I was doing in both films, I'm like, I don't even want to go there. So we have happy memories associated with it, and the way Mukesh used to freak out, and he was like, please tum dono paas mat raho, please don't stand together, and he used to keep telling Sushant, just focus on the daughter. You don't need to talk to the mother so much. And maybe we were just discussing work, or something, some irrelevant thing. So I just keep remembering all those funny incidents and memories. And I'm just trying to stay afloat and trying to keep positive in our head and mind. I think Sanjana is also trying to do that, and she needs to do that way more than we are, because she is like the epicenter of the film, and the film happens through her eyes, and everything happens through her point of view.
It's through her perspective. Absolutely, I totally agree on that.
She needs to stay way more positive also for her future, and we would all want to see her work more and do many more films. She needs to. The kid needs to stay positive now. And
absolutely, and I just hope that the next time I'm doing a promotion of Sanjana's movie, I hope we shoot together on a real life studio, probably somewhere, and not like this.
Yes.
Corona gets over as soon as possible. I have some interesting fun segment planned, but before that, I'm pretty sure, and I hope that because we are doing this interview, you both are coming together for an interview for the first time, and we are discussing happy memories about Sushant. I hope that his soul is watching us. So before we go to the fun segment, I want a prayer line from both of you each, so that we can pray for his soul. So if you would like to say one line for his soul, for the, the Shanti of his soul, one line from both of you. Sanjana, would you like to start?
I mean, that's a really deep one, yeah. I also find it very personal, to be honest. So I don't even know if it's easy for me to do that. But we're all praying for peace and for his soul to be resting in peace, and for peace in the world that he's left behind as well. That's my brain just constantly keeps thinking about that.
Yeah, same here. I mean, the moment you asked this question, the only thing I was thinking was that may he get the peace that he deserves.
Absolutely.
And may his family, find the closure. And, may this fight end soon. And may everybody get a peaceful sleep at night, because it's just been quite nerve-wracking for everybody.
Yeah.
Absolutely. When, global prayers are going in for him, and I hope he's having that smile on his face even now. I wish you both all the best going forward. So take care, stay safe, and God bless you both. Thank you so much.
You too.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye, Swastika.
Bye.
Stay safe.
Bye.
Stay safe. Yeah, stay safe.
Bye, both of you. Bye.
Bye.